Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Let's Make Bio Easy. Unlike my other videos, I will not be talking about bookish chapters or study material related to biology, but I will be busting some of the myths that are related to COVID-19. So let's start. First, most common myth is that the hydroxychloroquine drug that is used for the treatment of malaria can even treat COVID-19. But the fact is that this drug cannot cure or even prevent COVID-19 disease. Currently, there is no scientific proof that hydroxychloroquine or even any other drug can cure or prevent COVID-19. But the misuse of this drug can cause serious side effects or illnesses and even leads to death. So, it should only be taken when it is prescribed by your physician. Second myth is that the COVID-19 spreads through houseflies. But the fact is that it does not spread through the houseflies. The virus that causes COVID-19 spreads primarily through the droplets that are generated from the infected person. When the normal person comes in contact with that droplets, then they get infected. And the best way to protect yourself from the virus infection is that maintain social distancing as well as clean your hands thoroughly and regularly for at least 20 seconds. Next myth is that drinking bleach or methanol, ethanol or any other type of alcohol can prevent against COVID-19. But the fact is that ingesting such material or disinfectants or bleach will not protect against COVID-19, but these substances can be poisonous and can damage your internal organs and even cause death. So these material can be used to disinfect surfaces but can't be ingested. Another common myth is that the temperature that are higher than 25 degrees Celsius can prevent against COVID-19. But the fact is that temperature higher than 25 degrees Celsius or 30 degrees Celsius does not prevent or cure COVID-19. As you can see, the countries with hot and humid weather like India have even reported the cases of COVID-19. So to protect yourself, make sure you clean your hands frequently and thoroughly and avoid touching your hand to your eyes, mouth and nose. Another myth is that people think holding their breath for at least 20 seconds or more without coughing and feeling discomfort mean they are free from COVID-19. But being able to hold your breath does not mean you are free from COVID-19. The most common symptoms of COVID-19 are dry cough, tiredness and fever. Some people may develop more severe form, that is pneumonia, and the best way to confirm if you have virus or not is the laboratory test. So if you feel any of the symptoms of COVID-19, then you must get yourself checked and test yourself with the laboratory test. These tests does not mean anything. Holding your breath for even 10 seconds or 20 seconds does not mean anything. Another myth is that ultraviolet light can be used to disinfect hands and skin to remove virus. Ultraviolet light used to disinfect surfaces or material, but it can't be used on your skin. UV radiation can cause skin irritation and even damage your eyes. Cleaning your hands with alcohol-based hand sanitizer or washing hands with soap and water properly are the most effective ways to remove the virus from your skin. Another interesting myth is that eating garlic can prevent novel coronavirus infections. So the fact is that garlic is a healthy food that may have some of the antimicrobial properties, but there is no scientific evidence that eating garlic has protected people from the new coronavirus infection. So this is just only a myth. The content source of the current video is the official site of World Health Organization. If you have any queries related to COVID-19 or any other biology material, you can leave your questions in the comment section below. Also subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, click on the thumbs up icon. Thank you for watching.